I don't know. What? Baby. Baby, baby, baby bird. Are you talking to the air conditioner? What? Hey. Did the air conditioner answer you, baby? Oh, little boy. Oh, little baby. Oh, we don't need that noise. Baby boy. I know you're a baby. You're a little boy. A little boy. A little boy, baby. Hi. Hey. Hi. Hello, Max. How are you today? I'm doing pretty good, and how are you doing? Huh? Poopy! I saw that poopy butt. I did. You're just a little. You're a little poopy butt. A little baby. Who tore the cage door apart, huh? How'd that get down there? You gonna hide it so I can't lock you in? You gonna hide the latch so I can't lock you in your cage? Is that what you're gonna do? Bless you. But you do, breathe something in. Huh? Did you inhale a birdie butt feather? Did you get it out? Did you? Did you inhale a birdie butt feather? Did you?